Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I've got some exciting news about the upcoming OPPO Find X8 series. The flagship series is expected to launch soon in China, but it's already making waves with its recent appearances on certification sites. Let's dive into what we know so far. First up, the OPPO Find X8 has been spotted on the BIS certification site, hinting at an imminent launch in India. It's also made an appearance on Indonesia's SDPPI certification site. Both listings were spotted by The Tech Outlook and feature the model number CPH 2651. While these listings don't reveal much about the phone's specs, they do give us hope for a broader global release. Now let's talk about the juicy details. A company official on Weibo has shared some key features about the OPPO Find X8. First, we're looking at an IR blaster, which will let you control your home appliances straight from your smartphone using infrared signals. Pretty neat, right? And that's not all. The Find X8 will also feature NFC smart card cutting. This means you can seamlessly switch between multiple NFC-enabled access cards based on your location. Imagine tapping into your office with one card and then immediately switching to your gym card without any hassle. It's all about enhancing the user experience. Now let's move on to the charging capabilities. The OPPO Find X8 is set to pack a whopping 50W wireless charging and reverse charging. That's a significant upgrade aimed at making your life easier and more efficient. When it comes to the display, the Find X8 might boast a 6.5-inch flat display with a 1.5K plus resolution. While it's a bit smaller than the Find X7, the improved resolution promises an impressive visual experience. Under the hood, the OPPO Find X8 is anticipated to pack the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, which will also be featured in the Pro variant. As per the Geekbench listing, it might offer up to 16 GB of RAM. That's a lot of power for multitasking and gaming. Camera enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The Find X8 will likely boast 350MP sensors on the rear panel and a 32MP front camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes or snapping selfies, this phone's got you covered. And finally, let's talk about the battery. The Find X8 is rumored to come with an upgraded battery compared to the Find X7's 5000 mAh. On top of that, it's said to pack 80W wired charging support besides the 50W wireless charging. Fast charging on the go? Yes, please. So there you have it. The OPPO Find X8 is shaping up to be a powerhouse with some really innovative features. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. If you're as excited as I am, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.